Oh dear. Rex just fell into the pool. I think he was trying to walk on the pool cover. Stanna, stanna. But he fell in the pool and I've cleaned him with fresh water because there are chemicals in the pool. And now we are going in getting dry. So I think it was a shock for him. Yes, that's the pool, Rex. Did you fall in? I was working on a wooden deck. Rex was up here with me. I was keeping a close eye on him, but I turned my back a second and he accidentally got into the pool. Careful, Rex. Now, come on, let's go in. Let's go in and dry you up even more, Rex. Rex, come. Come. Come on. So, you all wondered if Rex would jump the pool. Well, he did, by accident. Go in. And now we're going in to get dry. Now, go in, go in, go in. So we are indoors. Rex is getting dry. And I just wanted to say that during all the time Rex was with me on the wooden deck, while I was working on the wooden deck, I had a close eye on him all the time. And we are building the fence around the wooden deck with a gate, so Rex and his little brother Sammy won't get up there in the future. So they will be safe. They will not be around the deck without supervision like now. And all the time I had my eyes on him. And I was a split second from jumping into the pool to get him out, but he came to me so I could pull him out. He's all fine, no problem, still a little bit wet. And he doesn't seem to be scared. He just wants to get out and check what's going on the outside. That will be later when you're totally dry, Rex. Okay, that's all for now. See you later.